Microsoft Security Essentials, which is one of the best and easy to use security program for Windows, especially for Windows 7 users. If you are a Windows 7 user or maybe 8, you can use this application for free and you can secure your computer. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about Microsoft Security Essentials, MSE, which is free and easy to use. So let's get started. As usual, we have to download the installation file. To do so, open any browser. So I'm opening Mozilla Firefox. You can use any type of browser. Just search Microsoft Security Essentials on search bar. Okay, Microsoft Security Essentials. I'll give you the download link in the video description so you can download it directly. So here is the link. Just click on it and you will see a page where you can download the installation file. Select the language, English. Okay, now click on download. There is two type options. One is for 32-bit architecture computer, and other one is 64-bit architecture computer. So my system is 64-bit architecture, so I'm going to download it 64-bit. So how will you know that if it is 64-bit or 32-bit? It is the matter of size. The low size is 32-bit and higher size is 64-bit. So 64-bit is 14.4 megabyte. So I'm going to click on this and just click on it next. Okay, so the download has been started, as you can see. Now we can close the tab, close the browser, and we will wait for finish to download the installation file. Once finished downloading, I will show you how to install it and how to use it. Okay, now locate the installation file and just double click on it and the installation will begin. Give the permission if required. Okay, now the installation procedure has begun. As you can see, Security Essentials helps enhance the security and performance of your computer. So it is the most and secure free application from Microsoft officially, which can protect your Windows 7 or maybe later. Windows 8 already have Windows Defender. Also you can use Windows Defender in the control panel. Just go to the control panel. If you don't want to use it Microsoft Security Essentials, you can already have Windows Defender. As you can see, I already have enabled this application, but I'm going to show you Microsoft Security Essential, which is separate application program from Microsoft. Okay, now click on next and click on I accept, and you can join the customer experience improvement program or you can just skip on it. So I'm going to join the customer experience improvement program and click on next. Okay, leave this and click on next and the installation will begin. Okay, now you can install the application. Just click on install and it will take some time to install on your system, not that much time. Okay, I think the installation almost complete. Yeah, you can see the installation has been complete, and once you click finish, the your computer will be scanned by this application. As you can see, scan my computer for potential threats after getting the latest updates. So it is recommended. Make sure tick this and click on finish. Okay, as you can see, virus and spyware definition, it is being downloaded, the latest version of virus definition. You can read the description. What is it? Just wait and it will download momentarily, and once download complete, your computer will be scanned automatically to make sure your computer is safe and secure. Very simple application for your Windows. If you want to use a free application for your computer, you can simply use this application, which is from Microsoft official. Okay, I hope you understand, and you will follow the instruction, and it is very easy to use. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.